Okay, I'm going to show you how to grid a drawing for the large grid drawing project. A lot of you already know how to do this, but just to make it a little bit more comprehensible for those that don't, you want a starting point and an ending point to draw your grids, okay? I'm asking for a grid that's 2 inches by 2 inches. So what I do up here is, you can use the end of the ruler, but a lot of times the end of the ruler is worn out, so it's not accurate. So I do what's called burning inches. So I burn 2 inches. So I start at the 2 inch mark, and then I go it by 2 inches. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and then 20. Okay? Then I do the same thing at the bottom. Okay? So now I have a starting point and an ending point. Don't just do one side and think that it's going to make a straight line. You have to have a dot on the starting point and on the ending point. Okay? Now, then it's just a matter of lining up the 2 dots. Now what I like to do is I like to put my pencil on one dot, bring the ruler all the way up to the pencil till it stops, and then just move the ruler until it touches the other dot, and then lightly draw. Okay, you want to do that with all your lines, because we're going to erase these grid lines, so you want to draw them lightly. Okay, and these are all 2 inches apart. I'm doing this rather fast for the sake of doing this video. I hope you can see the grid lines. I'm drawing them a little darker than they need to be so that you can see them. Okay. Boom. Okay. Put my pencil on the mark. Bring it up there. Down. Okay. Put my pencil on the mark. Bring the ruler up to it. Line it up with that one right here. Okay. Now, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going to end up with 9 by 12. So now we do the same thing on this side, okay? I'm going to burn 2 inches. So I'm going to start at the 2 inch mark, and I'm going to go by 2s. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. I'm going to move this down to another 2 inch, okay, 18, 20, 22, okay? So if the ruler's not long enough, it's okay to move it down, okay? So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. Move it down to another 2 inch increment, so it's 18, 20. And then I do the same thing here. I line it up with the pencil till it touches, and I go across. Okay, boom, and you work your way down like this. Okay, same thing here. Now the other thing is you want to put firm pressure on the ruler so that it doesn't move. Okay, so you want to make sure that the ruler stays still, because it can move just with the pressure of your pencil against it. Okay, and I know this is really an easy technique, but it's really effective. So what you're going to do with this large grid drawing paper is you're going to research the internet, find an image that you're going to draw, and using a grid tool program, you're going to apply a grid to the drawing that you picked, and then you're going to enlarge it on this sheet of paper. And there you go. Okay, 9 by 12. And that's how you grid a drawing for the large grid drawing project. If you have any questions, just come see me. Thanks.